I would love a 101 of the Adobe suite, right, and where it stands right now, because you guys have had an incredible journey over the last kind of 36 months. So take me through where the platform, the cloud solution sits at a point in time, and give me some context. That'd be really great.
That's great. Yeah, happy to. So the Adobe Marketing Cloud, as our technology platform's known, was developed over the last 3 years, as you pointed out. Adobe was one of the first companies to recognize that this marketing transformation that's happening in the industry because of digital and the disruption of multiple channels and audience fragmentation and so on, are really going to require a technology and analytically driven process, right? And that kind of drove the evolution of the Marketing Cloud as it is today. The Marketing Cloud, simply put, is a common platform, data, content, and APIs with 6 solutions through which we go to market, right? If you're ready for the 6 solutions, I'll run you through what they do and what they are real quickly. Adobe Analytics is the multi-channel and digital analytics solution. It's the analytical and dashboarding and visualization component of the Marketing Cloud. It helps marketers understand their web traffic and their digital audiences and how they're behaving and what's performing and what's not performing and so on. Adobe Experience Manager is the world's leading experience management, content management, web engagement management, and digital engagement management platform. Right? Adobe Target is our testing, targeting, and optimization capabilities that help marketers optimize customer interactions across various digital channels. Adobe Social is our social media management and marketing platform. Adobe Media Optimizer helps marketers direct their media buying efforts, search, display, social, and so on. And then finally, the latest addition to the Marketing Cloud, Adobe Campaign, which is the cross-channel, multi-channel campaign management solution available for marketers, supporting everything from mobile advertising to mobile ad push to email marketing and direct mail and so on and so forth. So those are the 6 components. Now, in addition, what we recognize with marketers is they have needs across channels and they need to flex quickly, right? This is something that technology, as technologists kind of approach the marketing departments, they have to figure out how to work with the marketing organization. Marketers need to be able to flex quickly. Marketers need to be able to experiment with new channels quickly. Marketers have fixed budgets that they need to optimize and they need to deliver attribution rapidly. They're being asked to be more accountable with their marketing and media dollars, right? So one of the things we recognized early was we can offer them solutions, but we really need to make the time to market as fast as possible. So earlier this year, we introduced the concept of core services. Core services are capabilities that span the various solutions in the Marketing Cloud and help marketers derive greater value from these 6 solutions together, right? For instance, we help marketers today in the Marketing Cloud deliver audiences across the 6 solutions. So once I define an individual, a customer, a segment, a profile, I should be able to share that across the various solutions in the Marketing Cloud. Similarly, assets. Brand consistency becomes a very important capability that marketers are looking for, especially as they start to syndicate content across various channels and tell stories at various levels, right? So we offer them asset management capabilities that allow them to standardize their brand assets in a single solution and then share them across those different solutions.
So, I mean, it's interesting, right? Because you're encompassing this world of sort of paid, owned, earned, right? And when it comes to marketing and automation, I mean, that is the entirety of the consumer journey, right? That's through the line to CRM and sort of on the front end, acquisition, on the back end, retention, right? What role, you just had an announcement, which I would like you to talk about, a partnership with Vicky, but what role do agencies play in this, right? In actually deploying the marketing automation platforms or being the outsourced services to actually address the time to market and provide that turnkey solution? How's the ecosystem going to evolve?
Yeah, that's a great question. Agencies are a big part of the story, right? Agencies, marketing service providers, systems integrators are a big part of the story. And the reason is marketing tends to be very heterogeneous and spread across various channels. You rightly pointed out earned, owned, paid, right? And the challenge with that is marketers have varying levels of competence when it comes to technology adoption, and agencies are already part of that value chain today, right? So we have significant agency partners across the board who help marketers in multiple ways. They help marketers deploy the Marketing Cloud, right, and take advantage of the Marketing Cloud. They build campaign operations on the Marketing Cloud, so they use Media Optimizer on the behalf of marketing departments to deliver targeted media buying decisions. They use campaign to drive email programs. They'll use Adobe Experience Manager to deliver web experiences and build the websites, and so on. So they use the entire spectrum of our capabilities on the behalf of marketing departments.
Right. And just a little bit of sort of, I'd love you to take us through the VP partnership at the end. Tell me what that's going to look like and how that's going to roll out.
Yeah. So yesterday, we announced, and Brad spoke about this during his presentation. We announced a partnership where Adobe Marketing Cloud powers Publicis' always-on marketing platform, right? It's anchored through VivaKey, as you point out, but all of Publicis' agencies have access to the marketing platform. And this is unique because for the first time, agency holding company of the significance of Publicis with the what I would think of as the most integrated marketing technology solution in the Adobe Marketing Cloud are coming together to solve marketers' problems across the entire spectrum, whether it's being able to tell the right stories through the right creative assets, being able to target the right audience, use marketing intelligence in the proper channels, the proper ways, and then deliver attribution and measurement more holistically. So as part of that solution, they have access to our audience management capabilities, media optimizer, campaign and analytics. They form the core parts of the solution. And then as clients need them, Experience Manager, Target, and Social also become available too.
Got it, okay. Suresh, congratulations on the announcement. I'm excited to see how it gets deployed and put to action. So thank you so much for your time today.
We are excited for this.
Awesome.